guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and today we are doing my project pan update. It is a little bit late. I haven't had a chance to film, but I thought we could just go through my August roundup. I know it's September soon, but that just means the next one will probably be a little bit shorter. But we've had a good month, so let's start with my primers. When I say primers, I mean primer. I've got one. This is the Embreolysse multi-function moisturizer. And I brought this in because it's winter here in Australia, almost spring. And I thought this would be a really nice, nourishing product for winter. And I'm doing really well. So this is where I'm up to at the moment. This is where I started. And I'm trying not to squeeze it too much because it does squeeze out with pressure. But I feel like I am doing really well. I feel like this might be in for a couple of more months before I take it out because it's already starting to get warmer at the moment. So in 2 more months, I'm guessing I'll probably be around here. So I won't finish it, but I will have really good usage on a product that was just sitting in my drawer. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how I'm going with it. And then in summertime, when it starts to get a lot warmer and I feel like I don't need hydration, I'll bring in a more I have a sweat resistant one that I feel like I could finish over the summer. So really happy with that. My foundations, I have 2 that I'm putting together because this one's too light, this one's too dark. And so since I brought this in ages ago, I never knew where it was. And then I had a glimpse in the sunlight. The reason I never knew where it was is because it was all the way up here. It's actually here. So I have a proper marking for the first time. I was guessing. We have a proper marking now and I know it's there. So that's really exciting. It feels like air. It feels like there's nothing in here. So the fact that I still have this much to go, I find it very hard to believe. But apparently there's a clear line now. And then this one here, they'll probably finish at the same time, which would be absolutely amazing because they work really well together. Here I am with this. I've had a very good month. However, I am a little bit late this month, so that could be indicative of that line. Even if I finish this one first, my Project Pan options is a lighter foundation that I could pair with this anyway, and I think it'd look really nice. So I feel like I might potentially finish this one first. However, I thought I was going to be finished months ago. Being how light it is, it feels like a feather. Anyway, doing really well. Everything is Project Pan on my face and these mix really well together. Makes a really good shade for me. My concealer is a little bit light, but I think I'm going to finish it soon and I think I'll finish it before summer comes. I took the stopper out, so it's really disgusting, but it's pretty, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's pretty empty in there. It's pretty, I can see the bottom. So even though this looks really intense, I've noticed a difference. I think next update will be very telling because it is too light. So I want to finish this. And I know the next one I'm bringing in will work well for summer. It's more my tone. So even if it's a little bit lighter in summer, it's still fine because it's my tone. Whereas this is pink and light. Very pink and light. But I try and make it work because I want to finish it. But I've had a very good month with this. Even though I don't have like a measurement, I can tell by just looking inside that it is thinning. So next update will be very interesting. I have a very exciting update. I finished my powder. This is my e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder I've had for so long. I did take this out and I finished it clean. So this is where I was last update. And now it's finished. I'm so happy. It was old. I think there's even new packaging now. Love this product. Like it's just a beautiful product to use. It was a labor of love, but I'm so happy to have finished one. And since I finished this maybe 2 weeks ago, I have brought in a new one and I've marked it. This is the Nikkia Joy. And coincidental, she's in a bit of line of fire at the moment. I don't really go into beauty politics, but here she is. I've had this for a very long time. I bought this back when it was like viral. Anyway, I went to the effort of, this was full of product. I put it all back in. So we could have a nice accurate line and I am pretty much exactly at halfway. So I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. It's on my face today. And my goal is to definitely finish this and just get through my powders. I feel like I'm having a bit of a year of powder. In the past, it's been like 1 powder a year. I'm on to my fourth. I'm on to my 4th this year. It's very exciting. I'm very proud of myself. And I reckon I'll definitely finish this by the end of the year. At the rate I'm going. My cream bronzer is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines. And I've been getting good use out of this. I feel like I could potentially hit pan soon. I really don't know though. But there's a really big dip in there. It's very hard to show. I took a photo, but until there's pan, every photo will look the same. But you can see a dip, potentially. I don't know. I can see it. So I reckon next update, I reckon I could hit pan. We will see. I would love to finish this by the end of the year. I would love that because it's very old. Oh my God, I have pan. I just used it today. It was there. I just moved it across so you could see it. There it is. I mix these two and that's what I have on my face today. I don't know if you can see it. But I have finished 2. I think I finished this one last update. So I've been focusing on these 2 and I've been using it. I'm being very happy. Anytime I have a matte bronzer, a matte blush, I will wear this. I'll tell you, I am wearing a matte blush today and I mix the 2 and I rub them on my hand and then I dab it. I'll be very happy to finish this. I have been trying to pan this for a very long time, but I always forgot to use it. Now I'm in the rhythm of using it. I reckon I could totally do it. So this was an RMS Beauty Mini Luminizer Quad, I forgot to say. My powder bronzer is the Nabla Skin Bronzing Powder in Ambra. And do I see a difference? Not really. I am wearing this one today. I have another bronzer in my DIY palette. I mean, definitely there is a difference, but I don't know visually if you'll see it in photos, but you might. Sometimes I think there's no difference, and then when I'm editing and I see the 3-month span, there is a difference. But I use this one a lot. It's absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see there's definitely some shape difference there. Really nice product. Hope to finish it soon. Blushes. The one I'm wearing today is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pink Pop. And I mean, it looks like there's nothing there, but that could last me another year for all I know. I always close it though, and if it's a little sticky, I'll clean it and bring new product out, because once I hadn't used it for a while and then I used it and it was like literally thick and sticky and it ruined my makeup. So I've got to be aware of that. But that's what I'm wearing today with the RMS highlighter. My other blush is the BareMinerals Bounce and Blurred Buff. Once again, you can't see a visual difference. You just can't see any difference with this thing. I did clean it though. But yeah, no difference there. It's one of those blushes that it'll look the same until it's finished, I think. But I do use it, so. My eyes, I have one product. It's the Australis Metallix eyeshadow in Guns and Rose Petals. And I have hit pan in this. This is the pan at the bottom. It doesn't really look like it, but it is. It's quite a big pan. And so really I'm just kind of using the sides. And I feel confident I could finish it. It's like fairy dust on the eyes. Shame it's not around anymore. I have 3 lip products. I have my lip liners, the RMS Beauty Go Nude Lip Pencil in Nighttime Nude. It's very defining. I love it. I don't use it all the time. I have a couple in my rotation at the moment because it is very defining for my skin tone. So if I want super natural, I don't wear this. And then for lipsticks, I have the Colourpop Lippy's sticks in Fab. And I do wear this, but I use a little bit. I don't go heavy on this. It's quite pigmented. So this, I won't finish this year. But I'm just getting as much use out of it as I can because it is a beautiful colour. And then my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Beijing, I use all the time. I'm wearing it today. I feel like I am getting there. I feel like, I mean, it's still a lip product at the end of the day. It'll probably last 5 years, but I use it regularly. I've had it for a long time. I've used it a lot over the years. I would love to be able to get to a point where it's like starting to feel like there's no product and I have to take the stopper out. and then I can really see what's in there. That really excites me. And then we have 2 pans in my DIY palette. 2 new pans, shall I say. Very exciting. First pan is my bronzer. I brought this in like 2 months ago. I can't believe it. And there's 2 little pans in there. Can you see that? It just, I don't know what's going on. It's just disappearing. It's not like there's powder going everywhere when I use it. I don't really know what's going on. But I'm not complaining. I have 2 pans in there. I reckon I could finish that by the end of the year, for sure. And then my other pan, which was very surprising, is this one here. We did not have that last week. This is one I wear probably twice as much as this one. So the fact that this has pan before this one is shocking to me. Today I'm wearing these 2 and this one. But yes, I reckon next month I'll have pan in this one. It's feeling really deep. And now that I know the depth of this one, I reckon I'm close to that one next month. And then here I've been focusing on reaching the side and I'm very close. This one is really opening up. But I like to mix these 2. And I'm also wearing this one in my inner corner. It just kind of opens my eyes up. I really love it. I do wear this one, but it's going to be one of those products that would last 10 years. But it's in my palette. So I don't know what year, maybe 2030, we might see a pan in this one. And then my highlighter, I don't wear as much because I am trying to use the cream highlighter as much as I can. But sometimes I do use it. It's just slowly withering away. I don't have a replacement of highlighter single to go in here. So I'm not really in a rush to finish that one. But this is my focus and some of the eyeshadows as well. And then lastly is my perfume. It's the title. It is called Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Noir. There's no way of knowing where it is, but before spring comes, I just wanted to give it a bit more usage. It's such a heavy bottle and it's 100 mils. I've got no idea where it is. But I think I'll do this for 1 more month and I think I'll change it for September because I just wanted to get some usage out of this huge bottle. Definitely more of a wintry scent. And so next update, I think I'll definitely switch it out for something that I can visually see and go from there. But yes, that's still going strong. And that's it. That's my update. Nice and quick. Next one will probably be in 3 weeks time. So if I can get my shit together. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stick around for my next video, probably a monthly rotation video. I've been loving the products I've been using. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.